Squiggly. Hello, Chameleon. Who are you? It's a salamander. I am Edward the Salamander. I have lots of pretty yellow spots. All right, what do you want? I have entered a competition to find the hide-and-seek bird. The hide-and-seek bird is called Socks. I could win £1 million if I find him. But Socks is super good at hide-and-seek. I've decided I'm going to need your help. Yes, all right. Why specifically us? You were the first animals I saw. All right, let's go. What about Squiggly going to the vet? You can take him. Seriously, we've never met this salamander in our lives. Squiggly! So, Edward, what does Socks look like? He's a blue budgie. I think that was Socks. Right, so he's around here somewhere. He loves to peek around corners, so look out for corners. Not around here. He's behind the giant shopping bag! Quick! Oh, the giant shopping bag! My favourite landmark in the entire world. Yay! No, come back. You found him. Haven't you won already? You have to catch him and bring him to the judges. Perhaps we set up a trap. This should do the trick. He's going to be so busy giggling that he runs into the dumbbell. And now we wait. Caught you! Wait, what? He just disappeared.
Oh, hello there! What are you doing?
It's a baby crocodile.
I'm Biscoff. How are you?
As in the biscuit? Maybe Biscoff can help us. No, he's 5 years old. He probably doesn't even know what that means. Go back to your crocodile parents. Oh, for flip's sake, you made him cry now. I never like kids. Fine, you can be part of the team.
Yay!
Come on, Biscoff, let's find Socks.
Oh, did you lose your socks?
No, Socks the hide-and-seek bird, for flip's sake.
Who's that?
We'll fill you in.
Wow, £1 million is a lot of money.
Yes, and because of that, we're going to give you some because you helped us.
What? I didn't agree to this.
He's helping us. Give him some money.
There he is. Stop right there.
Oop. You're not getting away now. Oh yeah, he's a bird. He can fly. Looks like he flew back over there. Come back here.
When I've nowhere left to hide. Congratulations, you found me. You win £1 million. Yay! £1 million. Sure. Look behind you.
It's a giant demon fox. What fox?
Bird.
We need to take Socks back to the judges to win. How are we supposed to do it if it's in a giant fox's stomach? Looks like no one's winning that £1 million. Hi, Harry!
Squiggly!
Squiggly's in perfect health. The vet gave him an extra Percy Piggy because of how good he was. Can you believe it, Harry? I don't even want to know.